see that and I'm like McBrown and shows up, and I'm a McBrown and shows up. Yeah, me too. I deserve to go there, son, right? To go sit and also go into things and talk things where they hurt my heart, where things where people where I do things for, where they expect say like they for do one back for me, they don't do way. They try make people think say they do everything where me I still be ungrateful. It's a lie. It's a lie. Yeah. Yeah. Truth that talk. Uh, you know. So you know go fit do two-face and try to farm fool people. Not with Samini, Stonebwoy. No. I don't talk. I don't say things. So you know me, you know my vibe, you know the way I did. So you think say you go fit play with the thing and then go do that your those kind of no. And let people think and have the perception say you be the angel, you be the coolest guy, you know how to cover tracks. Stone, don't play with my head. The last time we did have conversation, you come send me some message trying to start something. Where I type something to you. Type something to you. You type back. You type finish. Up to today.